हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी हॉलीडेज़ के लिए फॉर 3 days. So we are just going to Wilson Prom, and in the way we have just stopped to have our lunch. So we picked up something from Subway so that once we reach there we can have it. So we are staying in a place called Toora, and there we have booked a holiday park. So after this we are just proceeding to Toora. So we have arrived here, and this place is called Toora Tourist Park. I will be sharing a detailed review video with you later on, so you can see that how is the surrounding here. So we have just come, it was around 2:30 p.m. and we are just going to the reception to pick up the keys for our cottage. So this is our 2-bedroom cottage, and you can see that there is a big kitchen when we just enter, and then this is a window here nearby the breakfast table, and the view outside was very beautiful. I have just shared here just a sneak peek of the cottage. I will be sharing the details as I told you later on in another video. So right now we are just going out to explore that what all activities are available. There were a lot of outdoor stuff to do for the kids, so kids were having a good time here, and a lot of people were camping also because of the good weather on that weekend. It was all a very lively atmosphere around. So guys, day one we just rested in the park and enjoyed the amenities there. There was a heated pool there, and now on day two, since the weather change was there, we are just going to a nearby falls there. This is called Agnes Falls. हे गाइस, सो हम लोग अभी आए हैं एक वाटरफॉल देखने यहाँ पे, एंड दिस प्लेस इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. बहुत ही नेचुरल लुक है इसका, और आसपास में काफ़ी कम लोग आए हैं. एंड हम लोग बीच जाने वाले थे आज, बट क्योंकि मौसम एकदम से चेंज हो गया, सो वी चेंज द प्लान ऑफ गोइंग टू द बीच. तो अभी जो बीच हॉलीडे है वो थोड़ी हिल स्टेशन हॉलीडे में कन्वर्ट हो गई, और ये स्माइली मेरे पीछे यहाँ से भाग के आ रहा है. यू कैन सी. Yes.
There was a path that went down the mountain and then straight to there.
So guys, just check this out. बहुत ही beautiful view है in waterfalls का, and एकदम से very natural, very scenic, and from the top also I will show you how is the view. So now we are going back towards our holiday park, and since the weather changed and there was a little bit rain also, So you can now see that how are the views of the clouds and the valleys, and this was a very, very beautiful drive along the countryside. So in the evening we went for dinner to a nearby restaurant. Actually not nearby, 1 hour drive था टूरा से. And आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं कि कोई भी नहीं है. So it was around 8:30 or 8 o'clock in the evening. So you can see that it was almost empty. So बस हम लोग फटाफट डिनर करके around 8:45 we left from here. So I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video. So next video में फिर मिलेंगे and I will show you that what all we did in Wilson Prom. And already मैंने beach video share किया है. So stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much.